Alright traders, you want to trade forex efficiently in 2025? Forget endless searching. You need 3 major apps in your arsenal. Not just sitting in the studio, let's talk real world tools. Today, we are breaking down TradingView, Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5. So let's go. First up, TradingView. This is your analysis powerhouse. Before you even think about placing a trade, you're here understanding what the market is doing at that moment. There are 2 main ways to access it: the website and the app for your mobile phone. And yes, it's absolutely free. Just visit tradingview.com on your computer, navigate to products, then super chats to see all the different forex pairs. For your phone, grab the TradingView app from AppStore or Playstore. Next, you need your execution tools, Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5. After you've done your analysis on TradingView, this is where you actually place trades. Metatrader 4 is a veteran's favorite, widely used, while Metatrader 5 is the updated version with more advanced features. That's the main difference, more power in Metatrader 5. You can get both Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 apps on your Play Store or App Store. Now, to actually place trades on Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5, you need a brokerage account. This is how you link your trading capital to the market. You will log into Metatrader 4 or Metatrader 5 using your broker server details. Brokers like FXPRO, XNESS or QUACOM markets are options. There are tons of brokers out there, so you do your research. Pick one you are truly comfortable with for your effective trading. I hope this breakdown was super helpful. Knowing your tools is step 1 to trading confidently. For more insights like this, hit that subscribe button now. Stay sharp, stay disciplined.